stuff.
You're supposed to leave tobacco.
Salvia apiana, or white sage.
When you take it.
You're supposed to do what?
Take tobacco when you take it, because it's a sacred plant.
Yeah.
Which grows long?
Yeah. The white sage.
They love hillsides and they love just, you know, hanging onto rocks.
Could be a 4 o'clock, but I wouldn't be able to.
That's where they're the happiest.
But see, these flowers look different than the ones.
The flower heads that we have, ours have much smaller leaves too.
Well, that might be the black sage that you have. Are they more like whorls?
Yeah, they're no. Our flowers more. Yeah, they are more like whorls.
Yeah, so that's the black sage.
Oh, really?
But it's good. It's a nice mild one for cooking with.
Uh huh.
Really? Yeah. And,
or potpourris.
But this is also different than the ones on the way up.
A lot of your sages are very aromatic.
I have a purple sage in my garden.
There's about 1,400 varieties of sage.
Wow.
So
cool.
So when you say you have a purple sage,
yeah,
it could be a lot of things. But there's easily like 4 or 5 different things in the nursery market that are called purple sage.
Oh.
But there is a native one that's called purple sage. Which is why we have the scientific names, because only one plant has that name.
That one grows very easily by just taking a leaf. You can take just a leaf and grow a full plant from it.
Do you think now's
Dudley?
the time to do that? Well, maybe on the way back I'll grab one.
Yeah, just don't let anybody see you.
I don't know. Really?
There's nobody here to see you, and we're not recording you either.
Us, it's okay. But I mean, if a park ranger goes by,
drop it.
Yeah,
drop it and run.
And point at somebody else.
She did it.
That's the different dahlia than the one I see up in Reed Valley. We have quite a bit of it. It's got a longer flower stem.
Well, yeah, there's about 20 species.
Well, there you go.
This is the desert one, I'm pretty sure.
He's got the book out.
This one here.
I like
Alice.
Yeah, Gordon told me what that's called. I didn't write it down.
Can you carry it for me?
A lot of butterflies.
I can find a
Alice,
for skippers too.
put some water. If you plan to plant those, bring some paper towel, and then wrap your plant, especially the
desert
roots,
mallow.
and then dab in
it's like a huckleberry.
And then put it in a plastic bag or something.
Looks like a huckleberry.
Good idea. So that doesn't die.
Not huckleberry. I'm trying to think. What is it? Desert mallow.
I'm growing a butterfly garden.
Are you?
So
what would I write?
A lot of flowers.
Probably sexist. This is a desert.
I did that in one of the schools I worked in Illinois.
I just planted some
picked this and handed it to you.
Oh.
Here, you take it.
It's going to be wilting in 3 minutes.
Yeah. Desert mallow.
Cephalaria? SPH. I spell better than I pronounce.
So there was a courtyard, and I asked the principal if I could bring in plants, and I brought in, all kinds of williams and irises and lilacs, perennials.
That's not the one that I'm going.
Are you just visiting here?
Dahlia. No, I live in, we moved out here a year ago, a little over a year ago.
This is the flower. That's it. It doesn't go like this.
Yeah, on El Toro and Burt Valley Road.
Kind of neat. It's like almost extraterrestrial.
Where do you guys live?
How do I describe that one?
Very beautiful butterfly plant specifically
Really?
The road that we were on.
Yeah, it does. It does have
No, it feeds on the leaves. The larva actually burrows into the leaf.
You're in High Country Ranches, right?
I guess if that's...
High Country Ranches.
I would just, put the top of the soil. Here you go, about half-inch in.
300 or so.
How big is your butterfly garden?
Oh, it's just a small one. It goes around 9 minutes blocks. Place so you can sections like that.
see these often on the drive up to Idlewild, like in Mountain Center in that area. These, they grow along the, like the meadow parts.
That's cheese.
There's a few of them along Mitchell over by the high school.
There was, right behind the post office, there was one of those properties out there that was fenced off, and it was like entire.
Oh, wow.
Just completely orange. And they came through and
Just whacked it.
just did down
That's
all
pretty. I like those.
Such a pretty orange, huh?
Yeah, it is. Great color.
So does anybody remember where the type locality of this plant is?
This is, that's the Brittlebush,
Yeah, but do you remember the type locality?
You know,
I don't know type of
Are
calorie.
you saying that that's how they name the species of this plant?
Oh, Brittlebush?
Virginia City, yeah.
Oh, Virginia City.
That's why they call it Virginia.
I didn't know there was going to be a quiz.
This is my way of teaching you how to remember.
okay, got it.
Rose! Rose!
Rose, it's a rose.
I'm remembering. I had a flashback. No, he said remember stuff.
Oh, do you see the beaver tail cactus in full bloom?
Yeah, that's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. Right there.
Right there.
Hey,
Is that the Basilaris?
Oh, yeah. He's standing right in front of it. I was looking at
He didn't want you to see it. He was going to get the...
Cover the mallow before we get to
right, yes, for Alcea ambigua, that's the mallow, desert mallow. Or the ambiguous flowered mallow.
Related to okra?
That's right.
Really?
Also cotton.
Yeah. It doesn't look unlike cotton, really.
Uh-huh.
A little sparser. Uh-huh. Somewhat. I mean, it resembles, I can, the leaf.
And is this the Basilaris?
Yeah, Basilaris, yeah. Desert
The most common one out here?
beaver tail. In the desert it is here, along the desert edge it is the most common.
The
have the
flower
hedgehog
is
here,
what
too.
Variety, the yellow flower. There's a yellow flower that's...
Oh, it's another Rapuntia species. Because all of Basilaris is pink. Look at the Basilaris has pretty much no needles.
Right,
A lot of the
yellow
other...
has longer...
Exactly.
Virginensis. Virginensis.
Virginensis.
Encelia.
Did you see what you stepped on?
I'm so sorry.
Stepped on a airy American.
A Canacus
Wait a minute, is that the right one?
Labruscella.
Well, don't tell the ranger
Yellow
when he
pincushion.
comes.
Oh, well, look how old this is.
How do you pronounce that? Connectus?
Yeah, it's Canactus. Labruscella.
I'll learn at least 2 names today.
Great, yeah.
Can you hear the birds?
Uh-huh. They're probably down at the creek.
Remember this one here?
I think Joy, too. Yeah. Don't know about Charmaine if she's a nature buff, but...
Oh, I'm pretty sure. I mean, who wouldn't?
Yeah. I mean, you're right. Who
My
wouldn't?
city flickers.
Yes.
Although, look at Alice. She's got her fancy nails
Oh, I
and
know.
stuff. Pretty down to earth.
Oh, yeah. She's definitely hands-on.
I like that
Babe. Brittlebush.
Encelia?
Is that Brittlebush?
Yes.
Okay.
Now this has a single stem, so this makes it the Virginia Virginiana, the one that exists
From
in
Virginia City.
and the ones that we have down in Alpha, like Reed Valley,
With the little
clusters.
clusters.
And that is the Farinosa.
But they're both Brittlebush.
Same family, yes.
See, it's funny because we have similar like this, but with much bigger leaves. And I was thinking that these were the same thing because the flowers I've seen
Yes.
on some of these have been totally different than this.
Yes, but
A
it's
different kind of species, I guess.
Well, no, the Brittlebush that we have, the foliage looks very similar to this, but you'll see that these, when they're dried up, you got the long, slender stems, and on the Brittlebush, they'll just be clusters
The
down
clusters
lower.
of the flower.
Yeah. That's how I learned to tell them apart when they were
I guess
actually
that's
dried.
why I kept confusing them.
And they're not smelly, obviously, because they're not a sage. So, but they look so similar to each other. And I'm sure that's maybe some kind of mechanism that nature put together to put similar plants in the same area.
Yeah.
So somebody will eat one and not the other, or something. Or none. Don't step on the plant.
I changed my backpack so that I can drop some water of the plants and save it.